Hi everyone, how are you? I am fine. In this video we made taro root vegetable. Let's start it. First of all, we take half taro root vegetable. After 10 minutes add it water and wash the taro root vegetable 4 to 3 times. If you guys enjoy the video, please subscribe, like and share. After wash now, frying process start. Take a 3 tablespoon oil and add the taro root vegetable. After 2-3 minutes wait, then take out the taro root vegetable and add 2 small onions. After 2 minutes add salt according to your taste. Add vegetable and 1 small tomato. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, red chili powder according to your taste, and coriander powder half teaspoon. Squeeze the 1 lemon and the end add some black pepper powder. Now your delicious vegetable is ready. Now dish out and serve it. Wow, yummy. Bye bye, take care. Please subscribe my channel.